Right, in a debate airing right here on WISN 12, it's the first and only debate between Schimmel and Crawford. Right now, their ads are airing across the state, but polling shows that some voters still don't know enough about them.
WISN 12 News presents a Commitment 2025 live debate.
Just days before their only televised debate,
the candidates for Wisconsin Supreme Court, Brad Schimmel and Susan Crawford.
In a high-stakes race for the state's highest court with its ideological control in the balance. The candidates still largely unknown to Wisconsin voters. Do you know the Wisconsin Supreme Court candidates?
I don't.
I couldn't name them, no.
The latest Marquette Law School poll shows 38% of voters say they don't know enough about conservative-backed Waukesha County Judge Brad Schimmel to offer an opinion. 58% of voters say they don't have an opinion of liberal-backed Dane County Judge Susan Crawford. But 57% of voters say the outcome is very important to them.
Just all the division between Republican and Democrat, it's just, that's why it's important.
And while 79% of voters want candidates talking about issues important to them,
we are a torn state. And I think that the Supreme Court in torn states has the power to do important things.
21% of people in the poll think the candidates shouldn't, to avoid seeming like they're prejudging potential cases.
Supposed to be neutral, but they're not.
So do you want to hear them talk about issues?
I just want to know that they believe in the Constitution.
So there is a lot of public pressure to be clear about something. But how do you do that and not declare how you're going to vote on a specific case? That's the real burden for judges to campaign.
Yeah, certainly raises an interesting perspective there. Emily, this election determines whether or not the court will keep its liberal majority, which could have a major impact on some pretty big cases.
Right, revolving around issues like abortion and union rights in the state. Early voting starts just 8 days from now. The election is April 1st.